92% of freelancers are pitching the entire wrong way. And this is likely why you, yes, you, cannot get clients. But hey, don't worry because in the next 4 minutes, I'll be showing you guys the mistake that you're likely making, the simple fix that will actually get your replies, and how you can automate that whole thing so you could stop wasting time and actually spending that time working with clients because we are freelancers, we're not pitchers, right? So if your proposals are still starting with dear client or saying, hi, I'm Sylvia, let me help you, you're doing it the wrong way, my friend. Clients have seen that way too often. They're way past that. That generic shit that everyone does gets you ignored. Long proposals, they are boring and clients are busy. They don't have 50 minutes to read your whole life story and they don't care anyway. You should totally expect clients to just read your first 2 or 3 lines of your cover letter, if that, and they will internally be asking themselves 3 things. 1, do they get my problem? 2, can they fix it? And 3, how? Now, here's what actually gets you replies. You want to have a one-line hook that's attention grabbing. The second line of your proposal should be giving you the credibility. Why should you be the one to do the job and not the next freelancer over? And last but not least, we have the one-liner that will seal the deal, and that is the call to action. That 3-line pitch that I just told you actually works. You could try it out for yourself. But let's be honest, if you're doing this strategy every single day until you get a client, that can be a lot of work. It can get discouraging and it can lead to people giving up sooner than they should. Now, I don't want to sound like a hypocrite because for the longest time, I was super against automation tools for proposals on Upwork. But the other day, the team at Early Bird actually reached out to me on LinkedIn. And I was super curious because I felt like they cared much more about their freelancers that they're helping. Not only did they let you send, honestly, the most personalized proposals I've seen, they also message the client for you until they get the client to book a call. And honestly, I love that because while my social anxiety doesn't always agree with that, I feel like I do my best selling on calls. If I can get them on a call, I can usually close the client. So they really spoke to me and I got to try it out. And honestly, I think it was the first week I just got a DM on Upwork from a client and the AI managed to book a call with that client within 20 minutes max from the first time they sent a message inquiring about my services. That really sealed the deal for me. And that all being said, they actually didn't reach out to me to promote it, but I had liked it so much that I asked their team if they could give anything to you guys so you guys could test it out as well. And they said they are veering away from offering free trials, but because it's for you guys, they are offering you guys a free trial. If you book down below with my link, it is an affiliate link, so I'll get a commission if you end up buying, but no pressure. I just want you guys to be able to try this tool and hopefully love it as much as I did because I'm hooked. So yeah, they'll get you set up and everything, and you can let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you soon. I don't know, I haven't recorded in so long that I'm surprised I even got through this video, but bye.